Vacuum packing medical supplies is a good way to condense the space they take up and protect them from damage. Today I'm vacuum packing kerlix gauze into compressed gauze packages. Cheap kerlix is the exact same gauze as compressed gauze, but much cheaper. Combat or kerlix gauze has many trauma uses for wound packing, covering burns, lacerations, abrasions, and exuding wounds. Compressed gauze is 1/3 the size of regular kerlix, making it easy to carry and store, but costs 3 times as much as regular gauze. You can vacuum pack it yourself to get a larger supply while saving money. Here you can see the size difference between loose and compressed kerlix. Heat seal the bottom of your bag and twice down the middle so you can cut the bag in half after it's sealed to hold 2 gauze packages. I usually seal each edge twice. You can fold or tape the excess packaging if there's in the way while sealing. You can make the finished package even smaller by wearing gloves, removing the kerlix from its wrapper, and placing it into the vacuum bag. Seal your bag. You can seal the top farther away from your items and then make your 2 final seals closer without using the vacuum. Here you can see I made my second seals closer to the gauze. It's better to have too much bag than too little when sealing. Cut your vacuum bag down the center for 2 separate packs and trim your excess bag. Next, I added small cuts to each end of the bag and marked it with red marker. You can see the shape I cut on this post-it note. The cuts are to make the bags easier to open, and the red line helps you or someone else find the tear spot. Make sure you don't snip so far that you break into your seal.